See the next concept. Two mirrors are inclined to each other at an angle theta. The number of images formed. The number of images formed. See, this is the, we can derive the formulas. This is important for the calculation problems. See, let us consider the two mirrors. This is the first mirror and it will be the second mirror. Now these two mirrors making an angle. How much is there here? Theta. So this is the two mirrors. It's M1. It will be M2. The making of angle, how much is there? The theta. Now the two mirrors inclined to each other. This is the inclined to each other at an angle theta. The number of images formed. The number of images formed. This number of image is nothing but denoted by N is equal to number of image. Number of image. Theta is nothing but angle between two mirrors. Two mirrors. See, that is the formula. When these two mirrors are, the how much of the angle is, it can be rotated. The rotated about of a circle. The circle is nothing but 360 degrees can be rotated. The possibility is there. That's why we can write here the 360 by theta. What is that? This mirrors are can be rotated is possibility is there is form of in a 360 degrees by theta. Theta is nothing but angle. Theta is equal to angle. Now the other, when here this theta value can be even. When with the calculation, this value can coming by the even number or odd number. For example, we have the 360 by theta. The 360 degrees by theta is equal to even. The 360 by theta is a even number. When there is a even number, that value, that's number of images. The number of images. The number of images is negligible by the 1. That is a 360 degrees by theta minus 1. Theta minus 1. Okay, sir, how to we can find that this is even or odd? For example, we say the here the theta for two mirrors. The two mirrors, the made of angle is the 45 degrees. How much is the 45 degrees? The two mirrors, the angle theta is equal to how much is taken by the 45 degrees. Now this 45 can substitute here. The 360 by 45. The 360 by 45. The how many times are can be cancelled by the other? The 8 times can be cancelled. That is the 8 is the number of images. This 8 will be even or odd number. This is a even number. When the even number is coming, the total number of image to what is negligible by the other? 1. That n is equal to 8 minus 1. That is equal to total how many images are can be formed by the other? 7 images. This is the calculation of this. So that's why we say that when the 360 by theta is a even number, the total number of to negligible of 1. See, that is the minus 1 we taken by that. For example, here the 360 by theta, 360 degrees by theta is a odd number. Is a odd number. Now in an odd number, again there have the two possibilities there. One is say the symmetric, another one say the asymmetric. So what is say the? See, the object is symmetric. Object is symmetric. What is the symmetric? And another one, the object is asymmetric. Object asymmetric. Okay. See, one is the object is the symmetric. Object is the symmetric and object is the asymmetric. See, when the object is the symmetric, that number of images n is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. Again, the total number of images to negligible of 1. But the object is a asymmetric. The object is the asymmetric. We taken the same, that the number of images n is equal to 360 degrees by theta we are taken by this. See, the how to we can find out the symmetric and how to we can find out the asymmetric. The symmetric is nothing but to, see, now here construct by the two mirrors. See, this is the first mirror and it will be the second mirror. the first mirror and second mirror. Now this outer surface can be blocked. See here also. This is the M1 mirror and it will be the M2 mirror. The making an angle is theta. Making an is an angle is theta. Now their resultant exactly is there the between. This is the direction. This is the resultant of this two mirrors. Now the object is there on a line. The object is there on a line. See that is called the symmetric. What is that? That is called the symmetric. Object on line. Object on line is called as what is called as a symmetric. Symmetric. What is called as a symmetric. For example, the object is other than of line. That means the away from the line. See, this is the consider the two mirrors, and this is the first mirror M1, and it is taken by the second mirror M2, and here the making of angle is theta. Making angle is the theta. Now their resultant, which direction is there? This is the direction. This is the direction. For example, the object is away from the line. Here will be there. So that the object is away from the line. Away from the line is called as the asymmetric. What is called the asymmetric? So this is the symmetric and this is called as the asymmetric. When the symmetric is there, that number of images, the total number of images to negligible of 1. But asymmetric is there, that number of images take the same. That will be there. What is the formula for the number of images? 360 degrees by theta. 360 degrees by theta. See, this is the main concept for the mirrors. Next concept, by keeping the instant rays fixed. By keeping the instant ray fixed, the mirror is rotated by an angle theta about an axis. In the plane mirror, the reflected is rotated through an angle. How much is there? The 2 theta. See, that we can make. See, this is the actually is the plane mirror. The plane mirror is taken the perpendicular to the direction. Perpendicular the direction. Now, when the instant ray, this is the instant ray. Instant ray. The instant ray can be instant on this plane mirror. The perpendicular is there. Then is a reflected ray is also perpendicular. But means that is opposite to the instant ray is coming by there. Now here there is instant at the O point and reflected ray also is the opposite to the instant ray. Next, after that, this is the axis we are considering by there. This is the axis, the initial mirror. But the mirror can be rotated. The mirror can be rotated. This is the mirror can be rotated through an angle theta. Through an angle, how much is there here? The theta. This is the axis. What is this? An axis. Okay. The mirror can be rotated. Mirror can be rotated. Now this is the instant ray. Now instant ray is the fixed. Instant ray can be fixed. This is the instant ray. The fixed at the O point. But what is rotated by there? The rotate of it's a mirror. So this is the mirror can be rotated. Then after that, the reflected ray is passing. This is the direction. Is passing. This is the direction. This is the reflected ray. Now the instant ray and reflected ray. Instant ray and reflected ray. Between what is there here? The normal. So this is the normal. This is the normal. See, the instant ray and reflected ray. Between what is there here? The normal. Now, the instant ray, the angle made by the instant ray and normal is called the angle of instant is theta. The same time, and the angle made by normal and reflected is called the angle of reflected is theta. But angle of instance is equal to angle of reflected. That's the total angle. How much is the theta plus theta? That is equal to 2 theta. When the plane mirror is rotated, the plane mirror can be rotated through an angle theta. That reflected is the rotated through an angle is the 2 theta. Because of theta plus theta is equal to how much is there here? The 2 theta.